Hello everybody, welcome back to the Hayabusa project. If you missed last week's video, we did the clutch mod. This week we're going to get the wheels out, the wheel bearings out, the tyres off, and we're going to get the wheels down to the powder coaters. And we're also going to rebuild one of the fork legs as the fork seal's leaking. So let's get the tools out and start taking it apart. We'll see you in just a second. Look alright in the frame?
Yeah, I can see it all.
So we finally got the fork leg out. Getting that mudguard off was a bit of a nightmare. I have the offending bolt here. It's actually bent and it chewed off. It was really tough to come out. It didn't want to come out. A couple of the bolts did look like they almost had something that resembles thread lock on them, which I'd probably never do on a mudguard. But yeah, we got it out in the end, persevered, and I'm quite happy. The spline tool that I used in a little kit I've got works wonders. It's what it's designed for. But after I rounded up the first spline tool, drilling it out to a bigger size, so the bigger spline fitted, managed to do the trick. So I'm happy we finally got this fork leg out. So now is the time to rebuild the fork. But we've took it off and we've discovered some problems. I think it's almost game over for these forks. So it's just on here, I'll show you a shot. The chrome has actually worn away to the point it's the nickel underneath showing. So that is properly worn out. That'll be why it's leaking. You can also see some sort of chivs and marks in the fork leg, which again could let oil pass the seal or destroy the seal. And I think someone's had some sandpaper or maybe a stone on there to try and smooth it out. So this fork is knackered. The bush is probably knackered as well if the chrome is. So do you replace it or do you repair it? Do we look at getting brand new tubes like pattern ones, or the other option is do you get them re-chromed, and they have to be hard chromed? So there's only certain places that do that. So do we re-chrome it? Do we get replacement ones, or do we look at getting a second-hand set of forks? Now we could get second-hand forks that are exactly the same as these ones, or we could even look at upgrading it to a newer model, maybe one that's got radial brakes. But then we have got another set of brakes for this to get rid of the 6 pots that we've already mentioned in the other videos. So what do you guys think I should do? Let me know in the comments. Should we get patent tubes, re-chrome the tubes, or get a second-hand set of forks? It is just going to be a daily run around. Let me know in the comments what you think I should be doing. I'd like to say it stops there, but the other fork leg also has chrome missing as well, so we definitely need a pair. We can't just replace the one. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. So this is the part where I was hoping to be stripping the fork down using the new seals, dust seals, clips, and rebuilding the fork. I was actually quite looking forward to doing an upside down front end, but unfortunately we've had to stop this week. We're still waiting for the wheels to come back from the powder coaters as well, which is all good because we can't put the forks back in. So that's going to be it for this week's video. If you guys fancy subscribing, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you've enjoyed this video and fancy watching one of our other videos, there's a video here that you might enjoy. Or if you fancy watching the Bandit project, it's down there in the corner. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm sorry we haven't got as much done as we'd like to. You know, we've kind of hit a bit of a stumbling block. So that's going to be it for this week. And until next time, we'll see you later.